Packaging waste. Nearly $2 billion worth of New York City's budget goes to the Department of Sanitation, aka the DOS. Of that, $300 million is spent just disposing of waste elsewhere. Last year, this amounted to a cost of $95 per ton, which is 28% higher in just 10 years. A landfill is made of layers of trash, garbage, and ash covered with dirt. The Fresh Kills landfill in Staten Island was previously a wetland. Fresh Kills opened as a landfill in 1948. By 1955, it was the largest landfill in the world. 2,200 acres by the time of closing. The landfill was sandwiched between two water sources. Since closing down in 2001, Fresh Kills is now being converted to a park with the help of donations and volunteer work. Looking at companies who actually haul the trash, we find a local affiliate of the nationwide company, Waste Management. They would like us to believe that the papers, plastics, glass, and metal that they collect are recycled, while other wastes and landfill gases are converted to green energy. Waste Management is the largest private trash company in our country, bringing in over $14 billion, over 7 times the amount that the DOS spends on waste. They sell bales of recycled materials to China to be used as raw materials. But when prices are low, they shut down their recycling plants and put recyclables in landfills. There is another category of waste, included in many industrial processes, whose producers are required to report to the Environmental Protection Agency. These are construction, demolition, renovation, dry cleaning, educational and vocational shops, equipment repair, furniture manufacturing and refinishing, laboratories, leather manufacturing, motor freight and railroad transportation, vehicle manufacturing, printing, photo processing, pesticide end users, and application services. All of those industries need to fill out paperwork and report to the EPA as to how they handle waste disposal, as well as pay fees to the Environmental Protection Agency. A New York Times report from 2015 confirms what many people privately believe: that much of the plastics consumers recycle end up in landfills rather than being recycled. The silver lining to this is that 9 corporations, including Procter & Gamble, PepsiCo, 3M, and Coca-Cola, have committed $5 million to $10 million each for building recycling infrastructures, such as the Closed Loop Fund, in an attempt to correct these deficiencies. More recycling, the companies say, is in their interest as well. Polystyrene is the plastic we see in such things such as takeout containers, coffee cups, egg containers, and insulation. The term styrofoam is one particular type made by the Dow Chemical Company. It is a hard blue insulation material. It is about 95% air, which makes it very lightweight and easy for installation, but these same qualities make it hard to recycle because it is easily caught by the wind, blows away, and becomes litter. When it lands in water, it breaks down and then is eaten by sea creatures, where it clogs their digestive systems and slowly kills them. Los Angeles and Toronto are the only two cities in the world that accept styrofoam for recycling, which becomes a problem when businesses and homeowners want to recycle such things as packing materials, which are very often made out of polystyrene. Only 12% of polystyrene is being recycled. There is a chemical called limonene that recycling plants could use to reduce the size of polystyrene. Limonene is a natural solvent made from orange peels, and it reduces the size of polystyrene to 5% of its original size. The website named the Plastic Loose Fill Council provides information on businesses that accept polystyrene for recycling. The waste disposal industry is a complex problem. It's not as simplistic as some of us have believed. It is likely to become more of a problem as populations increase and places for landfills become much less available. Companies such as the Closed Loop Fund suggest hopeful alternatives that could become more available as more people commit money to this venture. Thank you.